Short-term stays have definitely changed the industry over the last couple of years particularly. What we've seen is that short-term stays are growing. So for us, it's about trying to bring 5-star linen quality to the providers of this short-term stay facilities, which could be anything from small hotels and motels to Airbnb providers. And the challenge for us is always about how do we get that linen to that group, which is a far more disparate group than our more traditional large accommodation customer.
SPL identified a gap in the market, which was the short-term stays. We found them extremely difficult to service efficiently. So what we've developed is a mobile linen hub that we can place in regional areas or in any area where there's a high density of short-term stays, and those short-term stays can service themselves from this linen hub.
Although it's just a modified shipping container, there's a lot of new bleeding edge technology that goes into it to make it work effectively. The containers are all solar powered, they're all connected to the network via 4G. So anytime a customer comes and accesses the container, we're able to log and see how much linen they've taken using that RFID technology. So it can tell how much linen is still inside the container. That information is then available both for SPL or for the customers who are able to log in and see how much linen's in the container nearest them. So along with the security cameras that are able to be remotely monitored by SPL, the container also has a fail-safe system, so anyone on the inside of the container can always safely get out whether or not there is a power shortage.
So we provide this accessibility that can go 24/7. People can get there when they need it. They can take the one sheet, the one towel, the 10 towels, the 10 sheets that they need when they need them, rather than have them all delivered at one time and have to find a place to store them. And we're constantly turning that over, so that the linen quality, the freshness of that linen is always going to be at its best. The other feature of the Linen Hub is that it's scalable and relocatable. So we can, if we find that we have a market that needs more demand, that has more demand and needs more serviceability, then we can reach that market by placing more of these linen hubs in that location.
So SPL has been a market leader in RFID technology in our laundry industry. One thing RFID technology has given us as a business is the ability to have transparency on where our linen is, what the churn rate of that linen is, which allows us to manage our costs better, and there's a flow-on effect of that through to our customer base.
So a little bit about where SPL is going in the future. It's a great business and there is a phenomenal amount of opportunities. We have only just started this journey of technology and the provision of linen services. The mobile linen hub that we've talked about has provided some of that insight into where we're going. It's all of these factors that keep us in front of the market. It's all of these factors that keep us moving forward, and it's all of these factors that keep us excited about this business.